today we are going to have our English session, right? Yes, in this we are going to what? The workbook exercises, and ma'am is having a surprise for you all. Yes, so whenever you sit for the online class, I want everyone to have a notebook and pencil with you. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, we are going to do the workbook exercises lesson 2. Okay, those who have workbook, you can take your workbook and write. Those who don't have, you can take down in your rough notebook. Okay, later you can write it in your workbook. This is page number 6 in your work. Page number 6 in your workbook. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. Before start with the session, ma'am have something interesting for you all. Yes? You all want that? Yes. Ma'am will be showing a slide for you. Yes? See, you can find the hidden animals. Okay. Yes. Yes, I want everyone to observe the slide clearly and you can answer in the chat. Okay, what are the animals you could find in the slide? Okay. Yes, come on, find out. Yes, come on, see. Yes. Find the hidden animals. Yes, come on, answer through the chat. Butterfly, very good. Where is the butterfly? Yes, you could find the butterfly in the along with the glass, right? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Snake. Yes, where's the snake? It's along with the grass. Very good. The snakes. Very good. Then butterfly is there, snake is there. No elephant, Anna. Crocodile is there. Yes, where you could find the crocodile? Yes, it is on the tree trunk, right? Yes, crocodile. Good, good. Rabbit. Very good. Where you find the rabbit? Along with the tree leaves, right? Yes, very good. Deer. Yes, superb. Yes, one more animal is there. Yes, see the mountain. See the mountain. A small hill is there, no? Yes. What do you find there? Not giraffe. It's a camel. Right? Yes, very good. So many of you have noticed. Superb. Yes, very nice. I hope you all have relaxed, enjoyed. Yes? Yes. So these are the animals you could find. Very good, very good. Yes, shall we move on to the session? Yes, this is also going to be interesting and interactive session. You are going to give the answers for, right, children? Yes. So now we are going to the chapters. Okay. So what was the lesson taught to you already? Yes, in the last week, Puppy and I. You all remember? You all remember the lesson, Puppy and I? Yes. So very interesting lesson, right? Yes, ma'am did a role play for you all, right? Yes. So based on that, we are going to do this exercise, right, children? Yes. So whom did the child meet while walking? Okay, you're going to draw the picture in the order. So you all know the lesson very well, right? So the child met few person and animal in the story, right? Yes. You all remember whom did the child meet for the first time? Yes? Yes, a man. Very good. So many of you have answered. So she met a man. Next. Next. Whom she met? Yes? It's an horse. It's a horse, right? Yes, very good. First she met a man. Then she met a horse. Good. She met a woman. Very good. Man. Then fourth whom she met? Yes, very good. Rabbits. Isn't it or not? Rabbits. Very good. And the last she met a puppy. Very good. She was a friend, right? Yes, where they went? Where they went? Where they went? Where the puppy and the child went? They went very good, Nandita. Up to the hill to what? To what? They went up to the hill to roll and play. You all remember that? Very good, very good. So many of your answers. Good children. Good round of applause for you all. Yes. Now what you're going to do is, in your workbook, page number 6, you're going to draw the pictures. Okay, the sequence. However you want, you can draw. Yes? Yes, children. Yes. Next slide, ma'am. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, children. Shall we move on to the next page? Yes. This is also going to be very interesting and you are going to do this. Okay. So, make new words using 2 or more letters of the words given below. Okay, so a word is given. From that, you are going to frame a new word. Okay, you are going to make a new word. Remember that you're going to pick letters from that particular word. So, what was the first word? Elephant. What is the first one? Elephant. So already example is given, lap. So they pick LAP from the word elephant. Yes, and they have given. So you just come out with the answers. I think so many have started giving the answers. Very good. Pet, pant, net, hat, superb, plant. Very nice. So many of you are coming out with good answers. Superb, children. Very nice. Okay. So you're going to write your answers on your own in your workbook. Okay. You know to frame the words. Yes. Very good. Yes. Superb, children. Hat, net. Yes. Very good. Okay. So ma'am have certain answers for you also. Okay. Band, hand, hat. Okay. Super. Very good. End. Very good. Very good. So now shall we move on to the second one? Yes. Second one, B. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Very good. Hip. Very nice. Hop. Pot. Superb. Potato. Potato. Tap. Very good. TAP. Tap. Yes. Very nice. Yes, I want the different answers. Yes. Hip. Pop. Pat. Tap. Sip. Very good. Very good. Superb. Sat. Mat. Good. Children. Very good. Nap. So you can write the answer. Very good. Very good. You all know to frame the words, right? Yes. Is this interesting for you all? Yes. Shall we move on to the next word? Caterpillar. Yes. Very good. Cat. Pillar. Yes. Tip. Bat. Pill. Lap. Hut. No dog, Kana. There is no DOG is there. Okay. Yes. Find the word from that particular word given. Okay. You have to pick the letters. Rat. Very good. Superb, children. So you have come out with so many words. Superb. Shall we give a good round of applause for all the children, ma'am? Yes. Yes. Very good. So now Kanchana ma'am is going to come on. Yes, tell about the next exercise.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Yes? Okay, all of you sit straight. Yes? Okay, now we are going to learn about capitalization and punctuation. Okay? Yes, already in your grade 1, you all would have learned about this, isn't it? Yes? Capitalization. Do you all remember that? Yes? Yes, we use capital letters to begin a sentence. Yes, whenever we are beginning a new sentence, it should start with a capital letter. Okay, whenever we are starting a new sentence, it should start with a capital letter. Yes, and we should put a full stop or a question mark at the end of a sentence. Yes, at the end of a sentence, we should place a full stop or a question mark. Okay, if the sentence is complete simple sentence, we will keep a full stop. Okay, if the sentence is in the question format. Okay, see, listen, answer the following and all. We will have questions, isn't it? At that time, what you will place at the end of a sentence? We will place a question mark, isn't it? Yes, children? Okay, see, one example is given for you. See, Meera is a 7-year-old girl. Okay, so the beginning of the sentence. What is that? What is the starting letter? M, isn't it? It should be capitalized. Yes? Okay. Meera is a 7-year-old girl. It's a complete sentence, isn't it, children? So what we should place? We should place a full stop. What we should place? We should place a full stop. Okay, see, after full stop, when a new sentence we are starting, we should start with what? A new sentence will always start with a capital letter. Capital letter. See, here S is capitalized. Can you all see the children? Yes? Yes. She lives in Mysore. So now what we should place at the end of the sentence? We should place a, come on, full stop. Is it a dot? Is it a dot? How we will call it? We will call it as full stop. Okay. Yes. So now my children are very clear about this, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to do an exercise. Okay. On this. Yes. Okay, this exercise is in page number 8. Is in page number 8 in your workbook. Okay, those who are having workbook, you can just do it in the workbook. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, so rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stops. Okay, so now you're going to rewrite the following sentence by not changing capital letters and then by placing full stop. Okay, children, are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready? Shall we do the exercise? Yes, come on, show the thumbs up sign. Yes, okay, very good. Okay, so now the first sentence is Meera loves visiting the Mysore Zoo. I'm reading the first sentence, children. Meera loves visiting the Mysore Zoo. So the sentence should always begin with what? Begin with a capital letter. Very good. So here M should be capitalized. M should be capitalized. And is this in the question format or it's a simple sentence? Is this sentence in the question format? Meera loves visiting the Mysore Zoo. No? Yes. Okay. So it is in the sentence format. Simple sentence. So you are going to place full stop at the end of the sentence. What we are going to place at the end of a sentence? We are going to place a full stop. We are going to place a full stop. Okay. Yes. So now we will move on to the second question. Okay. Now we will move on to the second sentence. Okay. Are you all ready for it? Yes. It has many kinds of animals like the gorilla and penguins. I'll repeat the sentence, children. It has many kinds of animals like the gorilla and penguins. So now what should be capitalized here? What should be capitalized here? I, very good. I should be capitalized because the sentence should start with a capital letter. Isn't it, children? Okay, so now it has many kinds of animals like the gorilla and penguins. So what we should place at the end of the sentence? Full stop. Yes, very good. At the end of the sentence, what we should place? We should place a full stop. Isn't it, children? Yes. Okay, now we will move on to the next sentence, third sentence. Okay. It also has a museum. It also has a museum. So now what should be capitalized here in this sentence? What should be capitalized? I should be capitalized. Very good, children. Super. All are responding. Very good. Now, at the end of the sentence, full stop. Wonderful. What we should place at the end of the sentence? We should place a full stop. Okay, very good. Now, we will move on to the last sentence. Yes, children, we will move on to the last sentence. There is also a lake in the Mysore Zoo. There is also a lake in the Mysore Zoo. So now, what should be capitalized here? T should be capitalized. Very good. Because a sentence will start with a capital letter. Isn't it, children? So T should be capitalized. And at the end of the sentence, what should we place? At the end of the sentence, full stop. Very good. At the end of the sentence, we should place a full stop. Isn't it, children? Okay, now we're done with this exercise. Now ma'am will show the answers for you. Just have a check whether we have done the exercise correctly. Okay, just have a check. See, in the first sentence, M is capitalized and we have placed a full stop. Then in the second sentence, we capitalized I and we kept a full stop. In the third sentence also we capitalized I and we kept a full stop. Yes, last sentence we capitalized T and we placed a full stop. Isn't it, children? So we done this exercise correct. Yes, star for all the children who done this exercise correctly. Yes, who answered to ma'am. Yes, I know some of you responded in chat and some don't know to respond in chat. So you all sat straight and you all answered. Isn't it, children? Yes, very good. Okay, so now make new words from the given word. Okay, so now the next exercise is make new words from the given word. So what is the given word here? Entertainment. What is the given word here? Entertainment. Yes, what is the given word, children? Entertainment. Yes, so now it's time for you. You're going to give the answers. Give the words. Yes, come on. Enter. Very good. Enter. We can give enter. Then we can give tent. Yes, tent. Very good. Then what else we can give? We can give men. Superb. Man. Superb. Train. Wow, superb. Yes. Yes, very good. Rain. Superb, children. Superb. You all are giving amazing answers. Isn't it? Very good. Very good, children. So nice of you all. Yes, superb. Very good. Okay, those who don't know to type in chat, you can sit straight and answer to ma'am. Okay, ma'am is listening to everyone. Okay, don't think, no, I don't know to type, so no, I can't answer. Don't think like that. Okay, whatever you're answering, ma'am can hear. So sit straight and answer loudly. Okay, yes, children, maintain an appropriate distance from the device. Don't sit too close to the device. I can see few children now sitting very close to the device. Yes, maintain an appropriate distance from the device, children. Very good. Okay, so many words I'm getting. Wonderful. Ma'am, we will give a very big round of applause for children. Yes? Very good. Yes, super. Okay, now ma'am have an interesting part of the session for you. But before that, I would like to ask you a question. Okay. Did you all have your breakfast, children? Did you all have your breakfast? Be truthful and answer. Did you all have your breakfast? No. You didn't have. Okay, many yes I'm getting, but still few no's are there. Yes? Why you didn't have your breakfast, dears? I told no, everyone should have your breakfast before sitting for online class. Okay? Morning you should get up early. Yes, do all your things and then you should have your breakfast and then only sit to online class. Okay? Yes, I'll check with your parents. Okay, I'll check whether you all are having breakfast or not. Okay? Okay, show a thumbs up sign. Okay, superb. Very good. Okay, now ma'am have one interesting thing for you. That is secret words. What is that? Secret words. Okay, how to do with this? Okay, let me explain first. Okay, first one ma'am will do it for you. And from the second one, you people are going to give the answers. Okay? Okay. So now what is there in the first picture, children? What is there in the first picture? You are having, what is that? Cot. Cot. Okay, bed. Yes, it's a bed, but you can say it also as cot. Very good. Okay, so now you're going to take the first letter of this cot. So what is the first letter of this cot? What is the first letter of this cot? Cot. Very good. C. Wonderful. Yes. Now, what is the second picture? What is there in the second picture, children? You are having? What is there in the second picture? Apple. Very good. So, what is the first letter of this apple? A. Very good. So, I will write A. Now, what is there in the third picture, children? What is there in the third picture? Tree. Very good. Superb. Tree. So what is the first letter of tree? Tree. Tree. So T. Okay. So when I write the first letters of all the three words, I'm getting a new word. Can you all observe that? What word is that? C-A-T. What is that? Cat. What is that? Cat. Wonderful. Superb, children. Amazing. I'm getting answers from many of you. Okay. So now what we will do, we will start doing this exercise. We will start doing this and everyone going to answer in chat. Only those I'm calling will unmute and answer. Okay, children? Yes? Girja ma'am, kindly unlock everyone. Okay, everyone are unlock. Okay, very good. Superb. Okay, now I want Sanashri of 2D. Sanashri, are you there?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am. Jai good day, ma'am.
Good morning, Sana. Okay, what is there in the first picture, dear? What's there in the first picture?
Moon, ma'am.
Moon. Very good. So, what's the first starting letter of this moon?
Yum, ma'am.
Yum. Wonderful, Sana. Very good. So, what is in the second picture?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Very good. Okay. So, what is the starting letter of umbrella?
U.
Huh?
U.
You. Very good. Superb. Superb, Shanashri. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Nikhil, can you please mute yourself, Nikhil? Yes, I want answers only in chat. Okay. Yes, I'm seeing all your answers. Very good. Okay. Now, I want Shanvi.
Moon.
Yes. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev, dear. Very good. Okay. Now, tell me what is there in the last picture?
Dog, ma'am.
Dog. So, what is the first letter of this dog?
D, ma'am.
D. Very good. Okay, Shanvi. Now, one new word has been formed. Can you tell me what word is that? One new word has been formed. M-U-D. What is that?
M-U-D, ma'am.
What is that? M-U-D. Use the phonic sound and read.
Mud.
Mud. Very good, Shanvi. Stop. See, children. Very good, Shanvi. Thank you. See, children, how Shanvi used the phonic sounds to read this word. Very good, no? Yes? Yes, when you find a bit tough to read any word, you can use the phonic sounds and read. Okay? Yes. Okay, now I want Sai Lakshmi. Sai Lakshmi, are you there? Sai Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Sai Lakshmi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, what's here in the first picture, dear? What's that?
Pig. Yeah, ma'am.
Pig. So what is the starting letter of this pig?
P.
P. Very good. Super. Now what is there in the second picture?
Igloo.
Igloo. Very good. So what is the starting letter of this igloo?
I.
I. Very good. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. Thank you. Very good. Super. Okay. Now I want Sharvina Selvi. Sharvina Selvi. Are you there? Sharvina Selvi, are you there? Yes, Sharvina? Sharvina Selvi, can you unmute yourself, dear? Can you unmute? Sharvina? Okay, fine. Pragalpa. Pragalpa, are you there? Pragalpa?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Pragalpa.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, dear. So what's there in the third picture, Pragalpa?
Necklace.
Necklace, yes, very good. So what is the starting letter of this necklace? Necklace. So what is the starting letter? You can say the yan. Very good, Pragalpa. Wonderful. So you have got a new word, T-I-N. So what is that word? T-I-N. Use the phonic sounds and read. In. What is that?
Tin.
Yes? Tin. Very good, Pragalpa. It was a wonderful answer. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So children, now you can make out, isn't it? See how your phonic sounds are not being used, isn't it? When you find a bit tough or when you find something difficult to read a word, you can use your phonic sounds. Yes?
Ma'am, Shayan.
Chayan, kindly wait for your turn. Okay? Yes? Kindly wait for your turn. Yes, Pratyanga Shri. Pratyanga Shri, are you there? Pratyanga Shri? Pratyanga Shri, are you there? Are you there, Pratyanga Shri? Okay, fine. Okay, children, now everyone answer through chat. What is here in the first picture, children? It's a carrot, isn't it? So, the starting letter of carrot is C. Then you have octopus. Then you have octopus. Yes? So, the starting letter for octopus is O. The starting letter for octopus is O. Then you have, what is there in the third picture? It's a pizza, isn't it? Yes? So the starting letter for pizza is P. So you got a new word. What word is that? C-O-P. Cop. Wonderful. Cop means what? Cop means what? Cop means policeman. Yes, very good. Cop means policeman. Very good, children. Super. So you all know how to frame the secret words, isn't it? Now, Ashwini ma'am will come and continue with the interesting part of the session. Yes, children? Over to Ashwini ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kanchana ma'am. Yes, children, I hope you all have learned something, right? How to do the workbook exercise. Okay, children, now there is an interesting thing for you all. Okay, so we are going to do origami on what? Puppy. Okay, yes, we are going to do an origami on puppy. Okay, so all you have to do is only simple things you need. Okay, so observe this, and ma'am will be sending the PPT to the class group so that you can make this easier. Okay, even if you have papers, you can just try it out this now. Okay, yes, is my voice low? Yes,
No, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes, so easy origami dog. Can you see the slide? Yes, yes or no? Yes, it's very easy. Only you're going to take two square paper.
slow?
Yes, yes, mom. Yes, yes. Can you hear me now?
Ma'am, this activity.
Yes, Kana. This is an activity you're going to do in the scrapbook. Okay. So after doing this, you can just paste it in the scrapbook. Okay, children. Yes. For
Okay, ma'am.
this, yes. For this, you need two square papers. You can take two color paper. Okay. A single color paper. Okay, so you can take the color papers, or even you can do it in a newspaper, magazine, whatever you have at home. Okay, should not disturb the parents. Okay, to get the color papers and all. Whatever you have at your home, you can make use of it. Okay, children. Yes. For that, you need two square paper. Right? What's a square? What's a square? All the four sides should be equal. Only then it's a square. You all know that, right? Yes or no? Yes. You have to take two square papers and a black sketch pen. That's it. Okay. You need only two things for doing this origami of puppy. Right, children? Yes. So you first take one paper. Okay. First you take one square paper. Then you have to keep in the diamond shape, not as a square shape. Okay. So you have to keep like this, the diamond shape, and you have to fold accordingly. Okay. I have given the arrow mark. Can you see that? Yes. You have to fold from the right to the left. Okay. You have to turn from the right to the left. Okay. Fold it. Then you're going to what? Fold from, see how they have done. Next slide, ma'am. See, this is how your paper will be when you fold it. Okay, then you have to keep this as a triangle. Okay, so you have to keep this as a triangle. Then you have to fold
Take it,
any
ma'am.
color, any
Ma'am.
color paper you can do. Yes, ma?
Only color paper,
No,
ma'am.
Kana. No, Kana. I told you, na? No. Okay. You have newspaper also. You can do with a newspaper. Even with a white paper, you can do and color it. Okay. Whatever
Okay, ma'am.
paper
Thank
you
you,
have,
ma'am.
you just try out this origami. Right, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, I want everyone
Ma'am.
to do. Color is yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Kana. Yes, ma.
You message
Yes.
the group.
Yes, definitely. I'll send this PPT in the group so that it will be easy for you to do again. I want everyone to observe. Okay. So
Okay,
the
ma'am.
WebEx yes, definitely. I'll send it in the group. Okay, ma'am. So the WebEx is
Okay.
going to end. So I want everyone to listen. Okay. So what you're going to do next? You're going to fold the what? Two corners of the triangle. See, if you fold like that, you'll be getting the ears of the puppy. Okay, if you fold the two sides of the triangle, see, you'll get the ears of the puppy, right? And what you have to do, you have to fold the end of the triangle. See, so that you'll be getting the mouth. You'll be getting the mouth for the puppy. Right, ma'am. See, so when you fold the first two corners, you'll be getting the ears. And next, if you fold the triangle, the end of the
Ma'am,
triangle,
this
what you will get?
activity, ma'am.
Yes, Kana, this is an activity for your scrapbook, right? Yes, and you'll be getting the mouth. See? Yes, very good. Now the head is ready for the puppy, and now we are going to do the body. Okay, now the head is ready. Shall we? Yes, you have another paper, right? Another paper. So you have to fold the paper so that you'll be getting a right angle triangle. See? Yes. So you'll be getting the triangle like that, and you have to fold the corner of the triangle like that. Can you see that yellow color or arrow mark? So in that way, if you fold it, you'll be getting the tail for the puppy. Okay. See, you'll be getting the tail. Now what you're going to do? You're going to fix the head with the body. You paste, the origami is ready. Yes? Yes. Now what you're going to do? You're going to draw the eyes and the, see, it's now the nose for the puppy. So your puppy is ready. Yes, it's a simple origami. You can try this out. Okay, children, I will send this PPT so that you can have a look and then you can do it very easily. Only thing you're going to fold. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay, so many interesting things for you. Right, children? Yes? Is anyone done? Yes, is anyone done with the origami? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes,
finish the graph
yes, you're finished?
and
Yes.
put this Google Classroom, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Yes, of course. Yes, after doing, you can paste it on the scrapbook. Yes, very good. Very good.
அம்மா இப்பவே மேம் செய்தாங்க இப்பவே
You can do it
Fine, Anusha,
afterwards.
same.
You can do it afterwards. You can show.
செஞ்சாங்க சொல்றாங்களாம்
Yes, kindly go on with. Yes, kindly go on with. Gopi Kishan. Second F. Kishan. Second F.
க்ளோஸ் ஆக போகுதுடா டேய்.
Yes, children, you can do.
இப்போ செஞ்சாங்க
You can do it.
அது நல்லா அறிவாளிடா.
Yes, children, you have done so many activities. I have uploaded in the Google
டக்குனு எடுத்து
Classroom.
ஆரம்பிச்சு. ஓ நோ 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 இவ்ளோ செய்யக்கூடாது.
For the question of 12, kind
முதல்ல அங்க இருக்கணும் எடுக்கணும் சொன்னா நீ ஏன் வேணும் சொன்ன
ஹவுசஸ்ல செஞ்சேன்.
Yes, children. With that, we will end the session. I hope you all enjoyed. Okay, you can do this and you can send in the Google Classroom. Okay, after getting your scrapbook, you just paste it in your scrapbook. Okay, children? Yes? If anyone has done with that, you can show it. Yes, if anyone has done with a music day, the instrument. Yes, ma'am has posted a message regarding the music day. Yes? Any music instrument you have done? Simple music instrument. Yes, you can unmute and show me if you have done. Yes, if not, you can try this week and you can send it in the English Google Classroom. Okay, children? We will be collaging this and we will upload on the website. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, later you can do and you can post it. Okay, children? So with that, we will end the session. Have a wonderful day. Jai Gurudev, children.